Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you are a new viewer in my channel, please visit my website also nicolasnilo.com. There you can find intraday and positional trading strategies and some scanners also. Hope all these scanners and videos helpful for learning and earning with the stock market. Okay, let's move to today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about TradingView chart. Those who didn't know about this site, just visit tradingview.com. There you can find this amazing chart, and this is TradingView Pro version. Free version also be available, but free version some features is limited. At a time you can open only one chart, and you can't open multiple chart like this. Okay, the Pro features you can open multiple chart, two multiple chart you can open. Here 3 chart 4 chart feature is there, but it's need Pro Plus plan. Right now I have Pro plan only, that's why I can't able to open more than 3 chart at a time. Just open multiple chart like 2 chart I can open this Pro features. This is the one features, and another one, the left side you can find so many tools which is definitely helpful for drawing. This is a trend line, like this trend line tools you will get it, and like that so many tools here you can find, and Gann box, Gann square, everything, and Fibonacci level, everything you will get. The same features are using for fire start also. See, the tools almost same, but its limitation is there in fire chart. Fire is also following this TradingView chart only, but the features is limited, but tools almost same. You can check with the tools almost same, all tools are same here. See, so if you have a Fire's account, for tools it's both are same. Okay, and what is the specialty for TradingView chart is, in the right side you can see, if you type any stocks like ITC, you will get the chart. In the right side you can get the details, ITC range, 52-week range, and technical analysis. Just click more. So right now what is the position of ITC? 1 minute it says sell, 5 minutes it says sell, 15 minutes sell, 1 hour sell. That means the trend is down. ITC in 4 hour also sell, 1 day, so 1 week, 1 month. See, 1 week it's a strong sell. So it's analyzing the indicator and averaging. 60 indicators say it's a sell, only 3 indicators say buy. That's why it's a strong sell in weekly. Like that any stocks, and you can add stocks here, all Indian stocks here. See, and technically it's a sell, strong sell. 1 day chart it's a sell only, 50 minutes. So it's help to know about the trend of the particular stocks. No need to watch the all the indicator, it will analyzing the all indicators, and it will what are more indicator, what it says here, 17 indicators says it's sell, that's why it shows sell. Okay, that is the one advantage. And here once you just click here, all details here, market capitalization, 52-week low, year, beta value, everything, margin, everything you will get it in details. And it's only available for equity stocks, not available for future and options. Equity stocks you will get any stocks, but futures and options not available in TradingView chart. And you can change the exchange also. The right side you can see NSE. If you click it here, all international markets are available. See, all international market. In Asian market you can see NSE and BSE. Most of the people are trading in NSE in Indian market, that's why I just choose NSE. And if you want BSE, you can select BSE from here. So only Indian stocks are comes here, so it's easy for selecting. Any stocks you can check. Okay, and another advantage is backtest. You can backtest the any strategy. So here you can see there is a plus button, this is indicators and strategies. Once you just click it, so this is the indicators and strategies. So many people are made some forex strategy, and it's working on Indian market also. So you can select the any strategy here. So just go to public library, Public library you will get so many strategies. So some people are making strategies here, and here you can see more likes. Set more likes means it's more accurate. And see blue sky day 90% accuracy. It's a buy sell scanner. It's a buy sell level given. Okay, I just given it. It's not at all 100 percentage, but it's somewhat it's good. I just check it. It's a blue sky day indicator. It's giving this short, long. It's giving short and long, and it's a non-repaint indicator. And if you have any doubt, is it repainting or not, you just back test this one. Just click here, and here this your red bar is there. Okay, I just click here. From here to it will be back testing, and just click the play button. Okay, just wait. See here a long button comes. After that it goes up. So if any strategies you can check back test. Some strategies are painting, so make sure that it's the say here it's a longest comes. So just not, it's not repainting, it didn't move from here. Some indicators are repainting, so if you do back test it will help to know that particular indicator is back repaint or not. See again here a short signal comes. Okay, it's a non-repainting indicator. You can trust this indicator, but it's not at a 100% accurate indicator. It will give buy sell signal also, but if you have any other supporting strategy, you can definitely use this blue sky day indicator. Don't depend this blue sky only, you just follow any of your strategy also plus this blue sky, so it will be double confirmation. There like that so many strategies are available here. This public library you can search it, and you just follow this more like, that means more people are like this strategy, that's why it's giving more likes. So these are the best strategies. So many people, these all are international strategies, forex strategies. So any strategy you can get, and if you want to search any indicator you can search it here. Okay, there are so many indicators are here, and this public library most people like strategies, you will get it. Okay, like this, see. Okay, this is one of the advantage of for this trading view. Live market you can analyze it, and if you back testing is very useful, any date you can back test. Just click here bar reply, that's it. Just select and click here, then this red line will become red bar, and choose where from where you want to select, and just click that date, then press play button. Then that day onwards it will be back testing. So it will be back testing, and you can arrange the speed also. See, you can control the speed also. See, like that you can control speed, and you can pause it. So like that features is available in trading view. And right side also headline from Ambuja Cement. If there is any latest news or comes, that will be shown here. Okay, These are the main basic features of TradingView, useful features of TradingView chart. If you didn't know about this TradingView, please visit this tradingview.com. It's definitely useful for analyzing. This is just a basic idea about TradingView chart. I will, in my next videos, I will explain more about this TradingView chart platform. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another TradingView chart video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.